guys, this is my first video after what happened over a month ago, and if you know what happened, then you know what happened. If you don't, you just leave it that way. So there's a good reason why I took a break from YouTube, very good reason. And if you know, thank you for the support, we appreciate it. And it's been a little tough lately, but we're getting back at it. The vlog you're about to see right now is from last night. Today, Saturday, I'm about to go film the Maserati. And, it's an idle. So yeah, there's gonna be another intro in that. So, I'm back, kinda, maybe. Try to film more cars. Subscribe right now for more. I wanna get a McLaren 570S in here, hopefully, and I want to do a real review on the Lambo. There's all kinds of cars I want to do videos on. All kinds of people want videos on the cars. So what you're about to see right now is actually Isaac put this like a meet together on his at his own house, address on Facebook and everything. Which it's crazy. His parents allowed him to do this. He had so many people there. Like when we first pulled into his neighborhood, you see it's like two maybe it was just one Viper. I think it was one Viper and a 300ZX and maybe another Viper. I don't know. And I thought that's where the meet was at, but the GPS telling me to go right, so I went right. I'm leading, like, there's a Lambo behind me. There's a Golf R, that blue Golf R, 380 horsepower. Then there's really freaking loud M3, which I don't know what he did to it. And then you got the 4x4 squared behind me. I'm leading them, if you know what this is, all the way from North Charleston up to the Jedburgh exit. I'm leading them up there. And so we're all coming down the road. I got platinum stickers on our car. We're all coming down the road. We turn the corner, and there's just cars lined up and down the road. I mean, like, you could barely fit through the middle. Kids are freaking out because they see the Lambo. I felt almost like a celebrity, but not exactly, but it was freaking crazy. And Isaac put all that together. Then we all cruised to North Charleston, the Northwoods Mall, and went to a car meet. And it was pretty fun. Isaac's a cool dude. His Instagram is gonna be up. It's been up the whole time. Cool kid, takes really good pictures. He used to take just iPhone pictures. He had a camera, and then he's talented. So enjoy the video, and here's the clip. Oh man, I look rough. This is my first vlog in a long time. Jesse's about to come around the corner. She's talking. Okay. About to go to a car meet. What we're doing is going to Isaac's house. Actually going to Platinum first. Going to Isaac's house. Isaac is another photographer, automotive photographer, and then we're going to a car meet. Man, that look rough. It's all right though. That looks fine. And I forgot I was about to say something. I had something on my mind, but I guess we just skip to the car starting. Exactly where we're going right now. Oh, I'm vlogging, by the way. I know. So we're at Platinum now. You guys recognize that car. If I can get it to focus. You recognize that car. Obviously, you know that car. Nice M3 Ferrari. You guys recognize this one. Well, I guess I don't think it's the same car, but this one he had. He took this off. The one we filmed. I think it had a different color exhaust, so I'm not completely sure. But yeah, Lambo's right there and there, and I'm waiting on them so we can cruise up there. And I want to race Chris, actually, to be quite honest with you. 380 horsepower, or no, yeah, 380 and 375, which I know I would lose that anyway, so I really need to get my car on this dyno right here, and then we got this Lambo, which is the roll bars are out, and the front is messed up. Just been here forever. I think it's an insurance thing that I want to do. I don't know what the problem is, but that's pretty sad. Explain to you how loud that is. I miss this car so much. Oh man, it's almost time to go. Yo, it's been so long since I've seen this car. But it's on autofocus, there we go. It said it's been sitting there for like a month or so. Oh my god, look at it. I've missed it so much. It's so low. I wish I was driving this tonight. Oh my, look at that. And I forgot just how loud it is. Jesus Christ. Look at the shot right here. Wow, this is really loud. You probably can't even hear me. Started this up and oh my god. Started this up and it was really quiet and then it just got louder. And now it's quieting down. That was loud as a freaking Lamborghini. That was freaking stupid loud, bro. That's a booster. We're all going to Isaac. Nice little ride out. Cruise action going. Wait on Bradley. You can drive that. Came around the corner. We came around the corner, right? Oh my god, there's so many cars on Isaac Street. And there's kids running everywhere. Holy crap. It's Chris. Do it, please. I don't think that G-Wagon's going to make it. Right over here was so crazy. That freaking, they're shooting flames. That Mustang right there, Ryan, and then this Hellcat, and well, Hellcat was shooting flames. There's a Camaro beside the Mustang. They were shooting flames. There's people behind me. Yo, it was crazy. I'll show you the cars up close when we get more people behind me. I hope my battery doesn't die. Oh, there's a Mustang. I can't explain to you how loud that thing is. Holy crap. Yeah, I don't even know what's going on, but we have so many cars here. This Camaro shooting flames, and there was some Mustang somewhere. Where is he at? He was shooting flames. I don't even know if we're in the right spot for the car meet. My dude probably over here. There's two Hellcats over there. M4, another M4 over there. They're going to check and see if the car meet is actually here. We don't know if we're in the right spot or not. So, all right, now we're at the right place. This looks about right. So we're like taking over the whole lot here. GT500 pulling up. Damn. Wow, my hair looks like shit, but my phone is about to die. I'm not phone, my camera's about to die. But battery's blinking red, so.
Bradley's like, get out of the way.
If this vlog stops. Oh, Isaac put this all together. This is Isaac, man. He did that. I'll put his Instagram up. But if my vlog just abruptly stops, you guys know why. And I'll put some more footage in here. I'm filming a mouse ride tomorrow anyway, so I'll put that footage in here. How was it? You like it? I think it's so fast. thing sounds so nasty.
It sound good?
Yes, bro. That shit is so loud.
Appreciate it, man.
Don't get too drunk.
I'll try not to. Thank you.
That's the end of this video. I hope you guys can hear me just fine. I got a little bit of crackers there, just a little bit of gurgling. That's the end of this vlog. My first vlog in over a month, and oh god, I'm not gonna leave you guys without a nice pull. I'm gonna do a nice pull from like four grand here, and it gets really loud. If you can hear that other idle, that's a GT.